to, what is this? ये इसका सीडी बना है क्यों, क्या है इसमें? Have you prepared a synopsis? You prepare a synopsis, then only you argue. Otherwise, you will argue, he will argue many things, you will argue many things. It will be difficult to. No, we do not know because see, this requires hearing. It is a serious matter, as I have told you earlier also, and that's why I have given you time. But you have not prepared yourself with the synopsis. You are not equipped with your synopsis and list of dates. Because it's a matter, if you recall, now I recall, so this is a matter where this policeman was asked by the judge, why have you come late? Over that he shouted beyond in a very high-pitched voice and threatened him. I will tell the High Court judge and I will tell this, I will see you. So he recorded all the statements. We cannot allow our judges to be bullied like this, and that too by a policeman. Very strange. This man does not qualify to be even a constable. What talk of a sub-inspector? If we do not have basic courtesies, basic etiquettes, and on the top of it a basic mannerism we are supposed to have while you adorn the uniform of a policeman, and you behave in such a shabby manner, you are threatening the judge. What is your status? You don't fit to be in job. Is he being proceeded departmentally or not? How are you tolerating him? Line attached karna is, what is all this? If this man doesn't know how to behave in the courtroom, then he should be shown the exit gate. Let him do some civil work. Why he should be kept in the services where he has to maintain the law and order, part of a system? By allowing him to put on the uniform, you are providing him protection against criminal action. You should have suspended him and not allowed to perform duties. If you don't do this, then our judges will not be hesitant in subordinate judiciary to ensure that your all police personnel are called in the court and hauled up. Many a times they keep cool under fire, and you know the situation, circumstances under which they work in district court. For 85% litigating populations, district court is the final court. Only 15% cases come to High Court, and 8 to 9% go to Supreme Court. It's an obligation on the High Court to ensure effective support system to the district court judiciary. If we don't do it on the administrative side, we will be failing in our duty. And unless we give them support and protection, where will they go? And here the judge has recorded a statement of all the persons, staff members who were present in the courtroom and heard the manner in which this person behaved in an unscrupulous manner. Is a fit case for holding him guilty of criminal contempt of court. And you are continuing him. He is adorning the police uniform. In a way, you are protecting him. This is not done. You bring up a synopsis and come back. List in the first week of May. So and so for the applicant, civil state, so and so for the respondent. Shri Rawat praised for time for preparing synopsis and list of dates to facilitate hearing of the case. Prayer accepted. List in the first week of May.
नंबर 43
Yes, Bhadauria.